You might be familiar with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs. Common NSAIDs are ibuprofen and naproxen, which are available over the counter for general pain relief. However, if you have a condition like arthritis that causes pain, your doctor may recommend a prescription NSAID called Celecoxib. Celecoxib is commonly available in the brand name Celebrex. Celecoxib is a specific type of NSAID called a COX-2 selective NSAID. It blocks specific proteins, called prostaglandin, that cause pain and swelling. But it doesn't affect these proteins, which are also found around your stomach and intestines. This gives it a protective effect on the stomach and results in fewer stomach-related side effects compared to other NSAIDs. Doctors often prescribe Celecoxib for rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and even menstrual cramps. It usually comes as a capsule, taken once or twice a day. You can take it with or without food, though having it with a meal may reduce stomach upset. It's important to tell your doctor about any other medicines you take. Celecoxib can interact with aspirin, blood thinners, and some over-the-counter products, which may increase the risk of bleeding. Also, if you are allergic to aspirin, you should avoid Celecoxib. Like all medicines, Celecoxib can cause side effects. Common ones include headache, stomach upset, or diarrhea, but in rare cases, it can cause serious problems like heart attack, stroke, stomach bleeding, liver issues, or severe allergic reactions. Always contact your doctor if you notice anything unusual. Celecoxib is just one option for pain management. Your doctor or pharmacist can help decide if it's the right choice for you.